Sinto vazio, às vezes me sinto longe. Daquela frio quando meu telefone toca. Você me provoca e some. E eu sozinho escuto a Mr. Lonely. A Mr. Lonely. I have nobody no meu colchão. Only I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody no meu colchão.
As soon as I saw this superstar on the match card tonight, I knew we would be in for a treat. She knows this match has huge implications for her future.
No disqualification rules in effect, which effectively mean there are no rules.
Nice turn of phrase, but you're right. Foreign objects, outside interference, it's all legal until someone's pinned or submitted. Long story short, this is going to be more of a fight than a match.
And he just hammering away with the rights. Vicious, aggressive attacks.
You can't get caught in a hailstorm like that if you want to win.
Sky high. Oh, God. Grabbing the arms and just rapid stops.
Punctuating it all with one last stomp.
That was a showing of control and aggression, something they'll want to keep up.
Now she's unleashing everything she has.
Giving it all she's got at the moment. Oh, my! Placing her against the turnbuckle here.
And launches him into a buckle bomb.
Crushing impact from that knee.
She's really starting to feel the effects of this match.
So much tension applied to the leg.
We know that taking out the legs is one of the most effective strategies in any match. Wards that off. What a response! And an answer from her.
Implanted by the DDT.
She's all out of sorts here, unable to defend herself.
Yeah, she's clearly been caught off guard by this offensive onslaught.
Does this style of match favor a more unhinged superstar?
Oh, yeah. You need a twisted imagination to take full advantage of a no disqualification match. That said, sometimes this match brings out a...
Up high!
Wow! Cross body! Running senton! Ooh. Measuring their opponent. A gator roll. And now into a falcon arrow. She lost some of her stamina at this stage.
Yeah, you can see the physical cost of this match.
And now propped up in the corner.
Placing her up on the turnbuckle. Ooh!
Perched precariously up top. Elbow rope DDT.
That move wasn't originally intended for the top rope, but that's what we just saw. A rolling cutter.
Wait a minute, setting in. Devastating submission coming. Lion Tamer.
And can't take it anymore. Best attack. These women put on quite a show. Here's another look.
sweat.